he could go ahead and use it so we can go ahead and get out of here, because it's pouring down some kind of fierce. I think he's ready to go too. He's staying up on me rather than going out there using it. So it's the only bad thing about walking an animal or having an animal and you don't have your own backyard, having to get up and go to the weigh station where in the morning and it's raining. I mean, really raining. It's not just coming down lightly, it's coming on down. And giving him a chance to use it, so hopefully he'll go ahead and do what he needs to do. We can get out of here. Yep. But he's taking his time, so hopefully he walk it off and do what he got to do so we can get out of here. Hopefully it will be a blessing for us. We can say thank God for this. I guess it's a little rough on him too, I guess. With all that rain, he keep, as we walked down here, he was taking his paw, wiping his eyes, so I guess it was getting into his eyes there a little bit. So we'll give him a few more minutes. Hopefully he'll use it. If not, I guess we'll have to come back out a little later on to try it. But normally early in the morning, I'll take him out at 6:30. And that's what time it is, somewhere between 6 and 6:30. So hopefully we can get it taken care of for him, and we can go back and get us a little rest, or at least get us some coffee early this morning. But I'm not gonna hold you long. Just want you to know that we was out walking. To all my dog lovers, dog walkers, dog owners, whatever you might be, just saying this is the life that we have. Or it's taking our animals out in all kinds of weather. So I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.